In this video, we'll go over the VR controls and navigation system in Shapelab. We'll look at controller bindings, scene interaction, scaling and grabbing behavior, and a few powerful shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Shapelab uses a dual controller setup, where each controller has a specific role. Your offhand controller is mainly used for navigation and system controls, while your main hand controller is used for interaction, sculpting, and object manipulation. Across both scene and edit modes, the thumbstick of your offhand controller gives you quick access to key actions. Push up to quickly select and edit objects. Pull down to switch between sculpt and scene modes. Move left or right to undo or redo actions. You can also press the top button to toggle the gizmo, press the bottom button to open or close the tool palette. Using the grip button, you can grab and move the entire scene, also known as the scene root. And the trigger is used for tool-specific actions such as sculpting or selecting. In scene mode, controls are focused on object management. Use the thumbstick up or down to switch between pointer and touch cursor. Move left or right to cycle through tools. A short press opens the context menu, while a long press activates the shape reform for the Create tool. Use the trigger to select objects or interact with UI elements, and the grip to grab either the scene or objects, depending on where you're pointing. In sculpt mode, the same controls are adapted for brush-based workflows. Thumbstick up and down to adjust brush size, left and right controls strength or resolution. The trigger is used to sculpt, paint, or modify the object, while the grip allows you to move the scene for better positioning. Shapelab separates scene navigation from object transformation, but these behaviors can be configured. In these settings, you can choose between View Grab, which moves the entire scene, Selection Grab, which moves selected objects, or disable the action completely. Scaling can also be customized. When enabled, objects can be scaled directly by grabbing them and moving the thumbstick left or right, or using both controllers to perform scaling gestures. Depending on the mode and settings, scaling may affect the scene root, zooming your view, or the selected object itself. In sculpt mode, you can quickly switch between two brushes using the alternate brush shortcut. Hold the secondary controller trigger to temporarily activate your alternate brush. To assign a new alternate brush, hold the trigger while selecting a brush from the palette. A small indicator will show that it's been assigned. By default, the alternate brush is set to smooth. Here are a few shortcuts that can significantly speed up your workflow. Press the bottom button to open radial menu and quickly switch tools. Press the top button to invert your current tool's behavior. In scene mode, hold the offhand trigger to enable multi-selection, then select multiple objects using your main controller. By holding the trigger, you can quickly select, deselect, or delete objects just by hovering over them. While grabbing an object, press the button A to duplicate it instantly. While holding an object, move the thumbstick left or right to scale it. You can invert the selection tool to quickly deselect objects.